So today we're going to solve a perpendicular physics problem, and the first step in this would be to find the downwards gravitational pull. So to find that, we're going to multiply the weight of the object by Earth's normal gravity, which is going to be 9.8. So when you multiply those, you get 68.6. So after that, we have to find the total x forces and then the total y forces. And to do that, we're going to do right minus left and then up minus down. So for x, we're going to do 15 minus 6. And then that is going to equal to 9. And then when we do the up minus down, 80 minus 68.6 that we got from the other equation, it's going to equal to around 11.4. So to find the rest of the answer, we're going to have to plug it into a triangle, into a right triangle. So we're going to plug in the two values that we just found into the side lengths. So one is going to be 9, the other is going to be 11.4. And then for our hypotenuse, we're going to use the variable r. So since it's a right triangle, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. But in this case, it's going to be 11.4 squared plus 9 squared equals r squared. So plugging this into a calculator, I just did 11.4 squared plus the 9 squared, and that gave me 210.9, which is going to round to 211. Still equaling that r squared, so to take away the square, we have to square root, and so the square root of 211 came out to be 14.5. So we also need to find the directional words, and so in order to figure out the direction of this object, since it's in motion, we're going to do the inverse of tangent and then opposite over adjacent. So we're going to do tan 9 over that 11.4. And so when we plug it into the calculator, which is what I'm doing now, second, and then tan 9 over 11.4 is going to come out to 38.3. So then when I plug that back into my answer, it's going to get me 38.3. And then to get the direction, we're going to collapse that r arrow downwards, which is going to be facing in east direction. And then to get the other direction, we're just going to figure out that top arrow right there that's facing up is north, so it's going to be north of east. So that's our answer. Our net force is 14.5 at 38.3 north of east.